Hello all the dear viewers over here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Turkey Property. And yes, this is our today's attraction part. But first of all, if you are still not subscribed our YouTube channel, so go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the future updates. Well, this apartment is located in Istanbul. It's a fully furnished apartment. The rent of this apartment is 2500 TL per month, and this apartment features your one washroom and two bedroom. So it's a beautiful apartment. And if you are looking for the comfort, then you are at the right place. And please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Well, here is our inquiry details. If you have any kinds of query or advertisement, you can contact us through this mail inquiry@propertywaves.net. Feel free to contact us. So moving with our bedroom part, this is our beautiful design bedroom with a centralized AC. This bedroom is very comfortable place to take a rest. It's a good place for relax and sleep in the night. You can do anything, everything that you want to do in this room. You know what is the best part of this bedroom? This bedroom is attached with a hall. The wardrobe also looks very perfect. This bedroom is so spacious and beautiful. And this bedroom is, as I already said, attached with hall. There is a window and the sunlight in the morning can through into this hall, or you can say bedroom. The color of sofa, TV, tables, little plants, curtains, lights, lamps, everything looks perfect. This bedroom is so adorable. And this is the kitchen with all the attractions with close fitted kitchen cabinet. This kitchen is completely functional, and the kitchen itself is an actual part of a big room. The kitchen features you have microwaves, refrigerators, dishwasher, and many more things that you need. And this is the beautiful design washroom with all the attractions. The floor and the wall is very neat and clean. The design of washroom is so beautiful. This washroom is so spacious and beautiful. So now it's all about details I have provided in this video, and moving with the features and amenities part. So this apartment gives you a DVD player, alarm clock, local guidance, paper towel providers, and it's a totally safe. This apartment features your satellite, toasters, TV, washer, city gateway, and many more things.